Welcome to our channel. If you are passionate about creating a space that exudes elegance and luxury, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share you 5 essential tips and tricks to transform your home into a luxurious haven that feels like a 5-star resort. Tip number 1 is all about investing in high-quality materials. Think marble countertops, hardwood floors, and silk or velvet textiles. These elements not only last longer, but give your space an upscale, sophisticated look. Next, let's talk about lighting. Statement chandeliers, gold or brass fixtures, and modern lighting installation can instantly elevate a room. Use layered lighting, ambient, task, and accent to add depth and drama. The third tip is to keep a refined and consistent color palette. Neutral tones like creams, beiges, and soft grays are perfect backdrops, accented with deep hues like emerald green, navy blue, or rich burgundy for a touch of luxury. Art and accessories are the final touches that define your space. Choose large-scale art pieces, metallic sculptures, or unique vases that catch the eye. Opt for minimal clutter but make each piece count. And finally, luxury isn't just about looks. Choose furnitures and textiles that are both beautiful and comfortable. Plush sofas, cashmere throws, and oversized pillows can make your space inviting yet elegant. Those are my top 5 tips for infusing luxury into your home design. Which tip was your favorite? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos, and share this video with anyone who dreams of a luxury makeover for their space.